Okay, muscle car restoration fans, here is a quick fix for a dash repair on your Mopar. Um, if you've ever got your old Mopar and all the chrome, the plastic chrome on the dash is falling off, as you well know, you've seen it before. It's all yellow plastic under there. It's kind of unsightly. You can tell it's beat. This particular dash was no exception. All the chrome had fallen off, and all that silver trim you see there was all yellow. But at Walmart, you have a chrome paint pen. Let me see if I can get it. See that? Primo. It's in the sewing section, the craft section, not auto or anything. You go in the craft section and you look for this particular one. It's a chrome paint pen. It's $5. It's oil based. It takes a long time to dry, but it will give you a near chrome look for your trim. And you'll see a method to my madness is on this particular dash. I've gone around all the trim. There's a break in it. I fashioned up a piece of plastic with the trim, and I'll glue it right in there, and you'll virtually invisible. And you'll notice I've already done all these rings, and I've slopped it around on the wood grain. And the reason that being is you don't have to be real careful. You just want to make sure you get those circles done, because I ordered from Detroit Muscle Technology, DMT, the 3 wood grain pieces for my car. So as soon as that trim paint dries, the silver, I will go ahead and float these on with Windex. Yes, you use Windex. That's what they recommend. And what it does, it allows you to slide it around, get it into place, and then the Windex will evaporate and leave a brand new wood grain on top of that wonderful silver trim. Definitely not concourse. If your car is concourse, I suggest you drop the dash, take it out, and do it right. This is a driver. So what I'm doing is the economic and quick route. And when it's all done with the new wood grains in there and that silver chrome paint pen, you are going to be looking at a car that can actually pass at a car show. So there you go. Mopar Dash restoration fans. The Gause Garage restoration tips. Thank you very much.